Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Atara. From this video, we are going to start a new milestone. We call it Application Integration. What is Application Integration? Which services we are going to cover in this particular milestone and why it is really very important for you to learn this milestone. I'm going to talk about everything in this video, so let's start. As always, I'm going to start with introduction of application integration. Application integration simply means connecting different applications or services, sending data between them in a reliable way, removing direct dependency, decoupling, making system more scalable and easier to manage. In simple words, helping one service talk to another service without breaking anything. Now, you know that modern days application architecture is based on microservices. For us, it is a single application, but inside one application, there are so many microservices running. Now, how one microservices is going to communicate with another microservices? This is main aim of this particular milestone. We call it application integration. Once you understand application integration, you can find out that how two microservices are actually communicating with each other. Now, why should you learn this? Very important in the real cloud projects because nowadays 99% applications are based on the microservices. So you have to learn how these microservices can communicate with each other. And you will find out this easily from this particular milestone. Used in almost every modern application. Helps in building microservices and serverless application. High number of questions in AWS Solution Architect exam. And makes your architecture more reliable and scalable. So these are the reasons. And because of these reasons, you should learn this particular milestone. Now, main question. Which services we are going to cover? So, we are going to start with the phase 1. In the phase 1, we'll talk about API first approach and we will cover API gateway. We will cover everything about API gateway like REST API, HTTP, WebSocket, everything. Then we'll talk about messaging basics. In the messaging basics, we are going to cover first service SQS, simple queue service. Then we will discuss about SNS, simple notification service. SNS plus SQS integration, we call it fan out, and we will also discuss EventBridge. In the phase 3, we are going to cover two services, Amazon MQ and AppSync. So, in short, we are going to cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 services into the 3 phases. Now, what you will get from this particular milestone? You will find out that how microservices talking with each other. With practical, you will find it out. Order processing system using queues. Fan out architecture, one message, many receivers. API calling, Lambda plus DynamoDB. Event-driven automation. Simple serverless workflow and hybrid integration with legacy system. So you will learn all these things with practical in this particular milestone. And definitely, we will start our journey with the phase number 1, API gateway. So, this is all about our application integration milestone. We will start with API gateway from next video. Thank you. Goodbye.